My first question goes both to Mr. Jeffries and Mr. Baker. Purpose of safety regulations should be to achieve safety outcome in the most efficient means possible. Most FRA regulations are prescriptive in their approach. How could the industry benefit from a more performance-based approach to establish standards while also allowing operators flexibility on how those standards are achieved? Start with Mr. Jeffries.
Thank you for the question, Mr. Chairman. So we're a 200-plus-year-old industry in the originally federally regulated industry, and we've got the Code of Federal Regulations to support that. We still have regulations on the books from the steam engine era, over 50 years old, and what that does, what that results in when they aren't updated, when they don't evolve with the railroad, with the evolution of technology and innovation, is lock you into perhaps a backwards-looking operating practice that may or may not result in the highest level of safety. And when you think about regulations, I think we would all agree you should be thinking about the outcome you're seeking, the safety outcome you're seeking versus the input you're providing. And so when you have a performance-based regulation, when you have an outcomes-based regulation, you set a standard and you allow for multiple ways to achieve that standard, also allowing for new developments in technology, new developments in innovation, new operating practices that can achieve, if not exceed, that standard. So not locking in current technology or current operating practice is key, in our opinion, in order to advance safety down the road into the future.
Baker.
I'd add, Mr. Chairman, that the difference between short lines and Class 1s, I think, illustrates your point. A regulation that would work for a 20,000-person Fortune 500 company with 13 different unions probably makes no sense for a 5-person company with 1 locomotive and maybe 1 union. And so I think common sense would tell you in that scenario, a performance-based, outcome-based regulation would make more sense than a prescriptive government telling you exactly how to do it.